Welcome to this video discussing U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's testimony before the Senate Finance Committee on President Joe Biden's proposed budget request for fiscal year 2024. In recent weeks, two U.S. banks, Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, have collapsed. This event sparked concern from Secretary Yellen and Treasury Department officials, and they took several urgent actions to ensure that depositors' savings remain safe. In her prepared statement for the Senate Appropriations Committee, Secretary Yellen said she and her team determined that the situation posed a risk to the broader banking system and the American economy. To mitigate those risks, Treasury provided guarantees on uninsured deposits at the two failed banks, created new liquidity sources for smaller banks, and stabilized aggregate deposit outflows from regional banks. It is clear from the rise in a new record of $153 billion bank borrowing from the Federal Reserve's discount window that the banking sector is still unsteady. In light of this, Secretary Yellen and other federal regulators must act to assure savings safety of Americans. When asked whether there will be a blanket guarantee in the case of future bank failures, Secretary Yellen noted that extraordinary circumstances and likely an act of Congress would be needed for such a move. Secretary Yellen appeared before the Subcommittee on Financial Services and General Government, chaired by Senator Chris Van Hollen, DMD, and will most likely face tough questions. We are eager to see how Yellen and the committee will respond to these issues and reveal how they plan to ensure Americans' saving safety for much-needed financial security. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check back soon for updates.